Before ChatGPT and other AI chatbots, if you had any questions about JavaScript operators, C pointers, or how inheritance works in Python, your first destination was probably Stack Overflow. The program was filled with thousands of developers and programmers sharing ideas. However, the rise of AI chatbots is posing a huge threat to the platform. In response to this threat, they have unveiled their very own AI called OverflowAI. This AI is set to transform the way users interact with the platform, making things a lot easier. In this video, we're going to talk about OverflowAI and how it is transforming the AI landscape. But before that, hello and welcome to the AI Trend, your go-to destination for all things AI. We are dedicated to bringing you the latest developments, breakthroughs, and releases in artificial intelligence technology. Alright, let's dive in. OverflowAI is a new tool from Stack Overflow that uses artificial intelligence to help developers find solutions to their problems. The tool combines the power of Stack Overflow's vast knowledge base with the latest advances in AI to provide developers with personalized and relevant answers to their questions. The main idea behind OverflowAI is to use generative AI to enhance the existing knowledge base of Stack Overflow, which contains more than 58 million questions and answers from its community of over 100 million developers. For years, Stack Overflow has been an important source of information for several developers. However, things have changed. Some observers say that the platform has lost about 35% of its traffic during the past year and a half. In an attempt to return things to how they were before, Stack Overflow is adding artificial intelligence to its offerings. The company's ambitious roadmap will integrate generative AI into its public platform, Stack Overflow for Teams, and also into other new product areas. The goal is to bring the vast knowledge from over 58 million community questions and answers directly into developers' workspaces. This process will take place by integrating OverflowAI into IDE via an extension into Visual Studio Code. IDE is short for Integrated Development Environment, and it is a software application that helps programmers develop software code efficiently. It increases the developer's productivity by combining capabilities such as software editing, building, testing, and packaging in an easy-to-use application. This extension will retrieve verified content from both the public platform and Stack Overflow for Teams. It aims to provide programmers with customized summaries for solving problems, the option to explore further, and the ability to document new solutions and insights. Notably, OverflowAI accomplishes all of this seamlessly within the IDE, preserving the programmer's workflow. Of course, other similar extensions, such as GitHub Copilot, already exist. However, according to Prashant Chandrasekhar, the CEO of Stack Overflow, with OverflowAI, developers can check, validate, attribute, and confirm trustworthiness across the Stack Overflow community and its vast database. One key challenge in adopting AI is having trust in its content accuracy. According to Stack Overflow's recent survey of developers, even though 77% of developers are really into AI tools, only 42% trust their accuracy. OverflowAI was designed with a focus on accurate data and AI-generated content, keeping the community at its core. What's more is that the company is integrating the Stack Overflow for Teams knowledge base with Stack Overflow's new chatbot, Stack+1. This means developers can now get answers to questions directly in their Slack channel. The new Gen AI integration doesn't just rely on the user's Teams data. It taps into all community-validated sources on Stack Overflow to provide answers. Behind the scenes, OverflowAI has enhanced its platform's search capabilities. In the past, Stack Overflow mainly uses lexical search, where user questions and answers were matched based on provided keywords. However, they've now introduced semantic search, which is built on a vector database. This update should improve the quality of user queries. Semantic vector searching involves assigning numerical values to words through machine learning or ML. This approach is also employed by large language models like Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4 or GPT-4, and it helps to determine the relationships between words. This technique is what empowers ChatGPT and various other generative AI chatbots. And now, Stack Overflow is using this approach as well. Chandrasekhar went on to explain that lexical search has some notable drawbacks. For instance, it's not very flexible. If you make a spelling error or use a different word with the same meaning, you won't get good results unless the index has been specially processed. If your query is lengthy and conversational, you might not find any matching documents. Moreover, lexical search requires using a specific set of terms to retrieve results beyond basic keywords, using specialized punctuation and Boolean operators to find what you need isn't a great option for most people. But now, with the introduction of semantic search, these limitations are being addressed. You can write your queries in a natural language style, just like you'd ask a friend, and get relevant results in a similar manner. For instance, searching for something like how to sort a list of integers in Python would work well. In addition to that, users have the ability to enhance their knowledge base. OverflowAI comes with a new feature called Enterprise Knowledge Ingestion. This lets users easily create and expand a knowledge base in a matter of minutes by leveraging existing accurate and trusted content, making it easy to curate accurate information. Additionally, Stack Overflow is unveiling GenAI Stack Exchange, a community focused on exchanging knowledge about AI tools. They're also introducing Stack Overflow's Natural Language Processing or NLP Collective, which incorporates a fresh feature called Discussions. This feature is designed for discussing technical AI and machine learning approaches, as well as sharing viewpoints. The path leading up to this moment has been a continuous series of tightly packed sprints. Now that the roadmap is out in the open, the next stage begins, rolling out this innovative AI-powered tools to users and customers. This will be done while actively seeking feedback, making iterative improvements, and enhancing the overall experience for users. So, what's the impact of all this effort on Stack Overflow and developers? Well, Chandrasekhar gave us an insight into what to expect. According to the CEO, the future of the internet and the modern tech landscape won't solely rely on web traffic. It's more about having high quality and trustworthy data, along with expert communities and real people curating that data. On one hand, the common questions beginners ask might see fewer visits because AI solutions like OverflowAI will make answers more readily available. However, these very AI tools will also generate a wave of fresh questions and concerns. On the flip side, generative AI will make coding accessible to more people, vastly expanding the developer community. With this growth, developers will ask new questions, use and validate the data, and in turn, bring more users to Stack Overflow. For the past 15 years, Stack Overflow has been the go-to for developers, and OverflowAI's additions will ensure the platform remains that way for years to come. Currently, OverflowAI is in its alpha phase and will transition to a final version as the project matures. If all goes as planned, I believe the project could be fully ready for production within the next 12 months. ChatGPT and the rise of other AI chatbots were a big threat to Stack Overflow because many developers are now turning to AI tools instead of asking other developers for help like they previously did. However, it seems the company has finally found a way to deal with that threat in the form of OverflowAI. This AI is very powerful and versatile. It is also very easy to use, making it less difficult for developers to navigate. Another thing that makes this AI very powerful is the fact that it was trained on data from Stack Overflow's vast database, meaning that it will be able to handle almost anything relating to coding. Now, I have one question for you. Do you think OverflowAI can take Stack Overflow back to its glory days? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on the recent developments in the world of AI.